Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I Kiran. So in today's class we will learn 10 new words with their meaning, synonyms, antonyms and after that sentence formation. It is useful for all defense examination and competitive examination. So here we go. See the first word is it is cassatize. Right, it is cassatize. So cassatize is a verb which means scold, right? And simply we can say rebuke करना, ठीक है? It is scold, punish करना, especially by beating. It is okay. Let me clear it. It is punish, okay, by beating is known as it is cassatize. All right. So the synonym would be upbraid and irritate. देखो upbraid मतलब होता है find fault with someone, ठीक है? Occasionally you are finding fault in someone is known as upbraid and same it is berate. Berate मतलब होता है criticize or scold someone angrily is known as beratate. Alright, so इसका opposite हो जाएगा किसी को praise करना, ठीक है? किसी को praise करना. So now let's see the sentence. He chastised his colleagues for their laziness means he scolded his colleagues for their laziness. I hope you understand this word. So next word is it is insidious. Insidious is an adjective because it is showing the quality. ठीक है, insidious मतलब क्या होता है किसी इंसान का गुण, ठीक है? सो इसका मीनिंग अगर हम समझना चाहें इट इज़ लाइक इट इज़ विथ वेरी हार्मफुल इफेक्ट. इसका मतलब क्या है अगर हम सिंपल इसका कंक्लूजन देखें इट इज़ इसके हार्मफुल इफेक्ट क्या हैं, बहुत कम है. ऑलराइट, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, इंसीडियस बोलते हैं. सो इसका सिनोनिम्स हैं. फर्स्ट सिनोनिम इज स्टेडली. इट इज़ नॉट हेल्थी, इट इज़ स्टेडली. what does stealthy means? It is like a thing that is quiet and secretive, ठीक है? उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, stealthy. It is a person or a thing that is quiet and secretive. All right, so synonym would be subtle and it is surreptitious. देखो subtle मतलब होता है ना, it is like making use of clever and indirect method of achieving something. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी बात में जो हमारा गोल है उसे अचीव कर लेना, ठीक है, विदाउट मैनी वर्ड्स, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, सटल बोलते हैं. ये एक एडजेक्टिव है एंड सिनोनिम है इंसीडियस का. ऑलराइट, सो द नेक्स्ट synonym of the insidious is it is surreptitious. Surreptitious means kept secret especially because it would not be approved of. उसे सीक्रेट रखना बिकॉज उसका अप्रूवल नहीं मिलेगा, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, surreptitious. It is surreptitious. Alright, so the इसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. कोई चीज़ डायरेक्ट बोलना, ये क्या थी, इनडायरेक्ट थी, ये क्या है, डायरेक्ट है. ऑलराइट, सो द सेंटेंस वुड बी हरासमेंट इज़ अ सीरियस एंड इंसीडियस प्रॉब्लम मीन्स हरासमेंट इज़ अ सीरियस एंड subtle problem. It is not straightforward but it is indirect. Alright, so the next word is dent. Dent you might have heard many times. It is a verb which means diminish करना, lessen मतलब कम, reduce is also कम करना. Alright, so इसका opposite क्या हो जाएगा, increase करना. I think it's very simple. Alright, now let's see the example. She didn't seem to dent the plate of food means she didn't seem to diminish the plate of food, reduce or lessen the plate of food. So from next time don't use diminish, reduce or lessen and use dent. Alright, dent is a verb. So the next word is precede. Precede एक verb है which means पहले होना, means lead up to. It is like come before. Simple तुम समझ सकते हो. It is like come before. Alright, I'm trying to make it simple. Alright, precede मतलब क्या होता है, come before. Alright, so lead up to, pave the way for, set the scene of. उसे क्या बोलते हैं, पहले कोई चीज़ होना उसे क्या बोलते हैं, precede. अब पहले प्री से मतलब पहले ही होता है, ऐसे हम रिलेट कर सकते हैं. ऑल राइट, सो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा, फॉलो. मतलब फॉलो हियर मीन्स पीछे, किसी चीज़ को फॉलो करना. तो हम फॉलो किसी करेंगे तो उसके पीछे होंगे, पहले नहीं होंगे, फॉरवर्ड नहीं होंगे, फॉलो करेंगे. This is the way how we relate this vocabulary because it is not easy to learn the vocabulary in one day. Alright, So association relation is the key to understand the vocabulary. So the opposite would be follow karna. Now let's see the example. A gun battle had preceded the explosion, means a gun battle had led up to the explosion. All right. So next word is, it is simple one. ठीक है, it is consequential. Consequential मतलब कहता है, हम बोलते हैं ना, you know what would be the consequence of it, means what would be the result of it, what would be the resultant of it, what would be the ensuring of it. ठीक है, so इसका opposite करेगा casual, means there is no harm in doing something and you don't worry about the result, what would it come. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, casual thing. Alright, now let's see the example. It was a loss of confidence and a consequential withdrawal of fund, means it was a loss of confidence and a resulting withdrawal of fund. I hope you understand this sentence or word. Now the next word is, it is wise. Wise you might have heard. ठीक है, it is like, इसके ना डिफरेंट वर्ड होते हैं बट यहाँ मीनिंग होते हैं. इस वाले वाइज का जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसका मतलब है इमोरलिटी. यू माइट हैव नोन अबाउट मॉरल. ठीक है, मॉरल वैल्यूज़, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, व्हाट आर द मॉरल थिंग्स टू बी फॉलोड इन सोसाइटीज़. सो उसी का अपोजिट क्या होता है, इमोरलिटी. ठीक है, इमोरलिटी मतलब द एबिलिटी टू लिव फॉर एवर एंड इटर्नल लाइफ, ये एक इसका मीनिंग है. और हम कह सकते हैं इट इज़ रॉन्ग डूइंग. ठीक है, कोई चीज़ रॉन्ग है. एंटोनिम वुड बी वर्च्यू. वर्च्यू इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ wrongdoing and wrong because it means behavior showing high moral standards, that you are following all the moral standard of the society and the surrounding wherever you are living. All right, so the sentence would be mobile phone network is being used to peddle vice. Vice मतलब क्या था यहाँ, wrong doing. All right, so the next word is, it is indisputable. Dispute मतलब क्या होता है, लड़ाई. That is also an adjective because it is showing the quality what he is doing. It's doing the fighting, right? तो indisputable मतलब, disputable मतलब, in मतलब यहाँ क्या है, root word है. in क्या है, root word है. and it is an adjective which means जो controversial नहीं है, means you unable to be challenged or denied, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, indisputable बोलते हैं. it is an adjective which means incontrovertible. ठीक है, and undeniable. All right, so the opposite would be questionable. simple है. dispute इसका disputable भी हो सकता है, indisputable का opposite and questionable. All right, so the next, before next word, let's see the example. What he said was a far from indisputable fact, means what he said was a far from the fighting incontrovertible fact. All right, it means it was up to the mark and it was right. So the next word is illusory. It is like illusory. Illusion से drive है, ठीक है. It is also an adjective which means delusion and delusory. Synonym would be delusion and delusive. I think it's simple, right? Illusory मतलब होता है based on illusion which is not real. So इसका opposite हो जाएगा real. Alright, a delusory मतलब causing one to believe what is not true और fail to believe what is true. जो सच है उसको झूठ समझना, जो झूठ है उसको सच समझना, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, डिल्यूसन बोलते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा, रियल, बिकॉज इसका मतलब क्या था, इन रियल. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. सी न्यू द सेफ्टी of her room was illusory, means she knew the safety of her room was delusory. Delusory मतलब not real. So the next word is fabled. Fabled is it also an adjective which means famed. Famed here means famous होना, ठीक है, प्रसिद्ध होना, famous especially by reputation. Synonym would be celebrated. Celebrated मतलब जैसे celebrity से related है, ठीक है. So renowned भी एक है. Renowned मतलब होता है known or talked about many people. Just you can, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir is renowned, was a renowned person and he is, ठीक है, because he is known by many people. Alright, antonym would be unknown. Opposite रहेगा the person which is who is unknown, उससे हम क्या बोलते हैं, opposite है fabled का. fabled क्या है, famous. so इसका opposite रहेगा unknown and sometime we can relate infamous too. So the next, before next word, let's see the example. We all saw a fabled art collection, means we all saw a famous art collection by the artist. So the next, and I think it's the last, it is like palpable. Palpable is an adjective which means tangible. Tangible which you can touch and which is real and visible and noticeable and perceptible. ठीक है, so इसका ऑपोजिट क्या जाएगा, intangible which is not real. ठीक है. So now let's see the example. It was a palpable sense of loss for me means it was a perceptible change for me. So here we have completed the 10 new words of today. Hope you like this session. If you like this session, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Keep learning. Jai Hind. Be safe.